So, we are finally here in SMX Convention Center for Manila Sneaker Expo 11. And for those who don't know, Beyond the Hype is actually partnering up with Manila Sneaker Expo for being its, how do you call this? Well, media partners. Because we're going to be taking over their IG for a day. Quick fit check for today. Nothing too crazy. Unique low top, unique low bottom. And of course, a very polarizing sneaker. Some might say, well, Test Kicks might say sneaker of the year, the Yamaman Year 2s. I probably think that no one is wearing 2s right now in the convention center, but we'll see. Right now, we're just gonna be meeting up with Ken since siya yung pinakamaaga sa Beyond the Hype. So we're just gonna be getting our media passes right now and we'll take you to the behind the scenes. Let's go. Kala ko sinong tumawag sa akin. Say hello to the vlog, man. What's up? What's up? What's up? No worries, ma'am. Sige po.
Medyo mahigpit. Haggard kasi siya medyo lang.
Ma'am.
Tama nyo na lang, sir.
Yappy, thank you. So, what's the game plan?
That is the question.
Actually, man down today. Sadly, Jay get well soon, and hopefully we get a backup camera right now.
Yeah, backup camera.
Backup camera. Kasi yung editor din natin.
Yung mag-shoot din actually eh. I mean, kawala-walaan tayo na lang talaga gagawa.
More than likely.
Right now, Danny is contacting our parang yung backup na mag-i-edit sa amin na maybe that person can also shoot us for today. So fingers crossed, hopefully he or she comes through.
Siya na kaya mo. Of course. We got Gab on the air. And our man himself, Seth on air.
Ang ganda naman ito.
Yan na.
Ay, kunin mo na pala yun.
Pwede mo rin sa'yo.
Sa'yo na?
Change outfit na ba mamaya, Gab? Grabe.
Ang laki nitong event. Paano natin isang dalawa?
Pero syempre, quick kick check. Nike Sakai.
Labay pa malakasin ni
Oh my God! Check out his latest vlog. Alam niyo na, Seth on air. And of course, very classic, Yeezy 700 Wave Runner.
Walang na kay Yeezy sa sa tropa ngayon eh.
Shoutout kay Mervin K. Shoutout kay Mervin K. Alam niyo na, bagong Adidas representative to compared kay Noah Marcos.
Paano mo na ako? Palit mo na ako kay Noah. Palit mo na ako kay Noah.
Boom! We in here. Manila Sneaker Expo 11. Yo, yo, yo! What's up, what's up? Say hi, man! Secret Fresh! Yeah, yeah! Oh, yo!
Alam ko, may ko nga pala sa Cortez, no?
Oo.
Actually,
Trip mo yung...
Trip ko.
ako rin actually. It really grew on me.
Ako lang yata yung
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Gusto ko yung Sakai waffle lately, yung chunky nut waffle. Ito, same vibe, pero parang feeling, for me elevated look talaga ng Cortez.
Very futuristic
Yeah.
naman. I do like... It's kind of cool, not for me though,
Futuristic
but...
na classic.
Futuristic.
Yeah.
Color.
Ito yung thing, Seb. Sinabi ni Richie na sneaker of the year, pero he kind of flip-flopped on it. Ganun naman talaga Richie, di ba? Flip-flop ka rin dito sa Pinas. Oh, shit! I'm getting beef from Richie Lee right now. Pero syempre, joke lang yun. Richie Lee couldn't make it to MSC because of like a logistical issue on their flight. So, well, hopefully they visit soon. They've been such a huge inspiration for Beyond the Hype, especially for us, man. And yeah, we really hope to interview them soon. The Hustle Club gang!
Guys!
What's up, what's up?
Ganda ng bagong best friend.
Ganda ng what's up, man? Hey. Brother, hey. Y'all already know, feel free to check out their booth, the Hustle Club and Gunner. So out right now, still waiting for Danny and Jella. Ken is setting up the mic, and si Seth mukhang may papakita.
I'm setting up the mic. Remove ko pala to, wait lang.
Yun official unsealing ng sticker ng Beyond the Hype mic. Let's go! We got the Beyond the Hype mic ready for Manila Sneaker Expo! Well, coming very soon, Hindi pa ano. So far, product testing pa lang namin. Beyond the hype, trucker cap.
Solid.
Ay, wait, sino to?
Grabe.
Sino itong nasa ano? Nasa paleta, say hi.
New Balance represent naman.
New Balance yan.
Binambawan.
Ano? What's up, what's up? Di namin nakilala.
Pares na kami ni
Dani.
Yung nga sabi.
Kita kami ni Dani na same na kami ng call.
So surprisein yung Schuster talaga eh, no?
Surprise!
Yan. Oy, wait lang. Check natin yung bagong shirt. Paisley, Ranrel.
Soon.
Let's go. Alright, alright. Nako, yun ay para sa ano niya eh. Sige. Check them out. Ranrel. Saiku. Uy, Boss Lerwin. What's up? Ito, nag-vlog lang. Media na eh. Media partner. Sige, I'll see you.
Madami kaso. Hindi sa presyo na
Parang coach lang sa basketball team, eh, no? Alam mo yung ano, ito yung game plan natin ngayon. Shout out to the vlog, brother. Elaine, say hi. Ayun, no? And of course, yung work ni Job Corpus, favorite posters right now. And, hey, my dude!
bro, nag-open.
Okay. Of course, we got involved. So, we just finished shooting for Beyond the Hype and of course, taking over Manila Sneaker Expo's Instagram. It's currently 6:30. Malapit na rin mag-judge, so we're really posting everything right now. And kung makikita nyo, siksikan dito sa booth ni It's So Good. Oh man. It was super tiring but really super fulfilling. So shout out to Manila Sneaker Expo for having us. But the question still remains. I'll be passing around the camera asking these guys, what will you do for 25,000 pesos credits at SHOEGAME Manila? What will you do if you have 25,000 pesos SHOEGAME credits?
NB number 1! Ano mga NB? 25,000, 5 blazers.
5 blazers!
5 Nike blazer.
If I had the 25K, I would share it with Paolo. But yung sa half ko, kukunin ko yung ambush na yung latest release. Yung parang Air Force na trainers pa yun. I would get that one. What would you get? Hati tayo sa 25K.
25K?
Sa akin yung ambush.
Ilang Duralite yun? 25?
Walang ganun sa shoe.
Wala! Bakit? Crocs.
Sa Lehi kasi.
Sa Lehi.
What will you do if you have 25,000 pesos shoe credits at SHOEGAME Manila?
Sa Lihi Crocs.
Sa Lihi Crocs?
Sa Lihi Crocs. Kung may sukli pa, medyas.
Medya sa SHOEGAME Manila.
Isang high pair or like dalawa. Pero siguro pang dadagdag ko ng off-white na piece.
Ooh, the dunks.
Yeah.
The dear summer.
Or like, mahal kasi pag fine greens pa, 45,000 lang. Nakakapagod ng piece ka nito.
Yes. Sorry, hindi seryoso. Anding ano to?
What will you do if you got the 25K
25K?
na SHOEGAME credits?
Honestly, I want the lost and found kasi na than ones.
Oh, yeah.
However much yun aabutin. Pero tingin wala pas 25 yun, no? For sure. No? Or nasa ganun. Konti na lang ano. Ako okay lang. And if I have to just pay a little bit more,
Hindi naman
that
sa
I would-
Chicago na Chicago. So,
Yeah, that's what I would do.
That's a great answer.
Yeah.
If you got the 25K credits,
give it away to someone who loves
idodonate ko sa mas kay may kailangan.
I told you!
Iba, pero para sa ano, yung mas,
na lang natin.
yung mas may kailangan.
Kung mananalo ako ng 25,000 sa SHOEGAME Manila, matik kung ano magkakasya na Travis Scott. Basta Travis Scott. Ano? Kung may susobra, kung kaya pa ng foam runners, samahan na natin yung foam runners.
madami, hindi na 25,000 yun
Wala na bang kasya? Kala ko wala na bang kakasya na Travis doon. Yun lang.
Siguro something na wala ako. Siguro I'll go for foam runners or siguro New Balance. No. Ooh, New Balance! Hey, who knows?
Wow. Caught me off guard. I actually don't know. I already got what I wanted.
Oh yeah, well, we got the Jow New Balances off deck. But if maybe something to be released.
Release. Oh,
Yeah.
lost and found.
Lost and found, for sure.
I need that one to complete the Holy Trinity.
There 2015?
Chicago 2015, we lost the count.
You got it. There we go.
Ang hirap, teka. Hindi ako nakaisip. Teka.
Fresh goods.
New Balance ALD 550, yung kulay green. Pasok ba?
Oh, pasok yun.
Yun.
Yun. Roughly.
Yun, sobrang ganda.
Danny. So is this like the behind the scenes experience? Kamusta yung behind the scenes water natin? Sobrang na tubig.
ng backstage water. Friend, it tastes like sneakers.
Tastes like sneakers. This is really nice, dude. Noah, kung naririnig mo ang aming boses, galawin mo ang mga Yeezy. Oh, wait lang,
Thank
hindi.
you.
Danny, hindi ka naman nangangate. Ha? Hindi ka naman nangangate.
Ano ang pangalan nung babae na kayo?
Boss Mervin K, gotta ask, if you have 25,000 pesos worth of shoe game credits, what will you be buying?
Yung Lebron 20.
Oh! Seryoso, surprise!
Lebron fan since 2010.
There we go! Alright, such a solid pick. Thank you so much.
Kung anong gusto ni Bea.
Kung ano gusto ni Bea. Masusunod si Bea, masusunod si Mrs.
No, I'll give the 25K to her.
Ay, oh!
Ayun lang yan.
We gotta ask Bea. We gotta ask Bea. Hey, the question nowadays is, what will you do if you have 25,000 pesos worth of Shoegame Manila credits?
Oh my gosh, 25.
Yeah.
Bibili ko. Wait, bakit
Adidas ba o ano?
Siyempre, Adi. Hinihintay ko kung ano yung sagot niya. Kasi sabi niya, ibibigay niya sa iyo.
Bibigay niya sa iyo.
So akala hinihintay ko, sabihin niya, ibibigay niya kay Jay. Pero talagang yung mga asawa ganyan.
Hindi talaga. Ibibigay na talaga sa asawa eh.
I have been eyeing recently. Well, I always eye a certain brand. Brand is this way.
Wala si Mervin.
Recent pay.
New Balance, bro.
New Balance, bro. Ooh, that's a nice pick. That's a nice pick. There you go. Jack Chu, Bea.
Siguro, bibili ako dun sa shoegame ng ama mo niya na Jordan 3. Para makasama na ako sa Beyond the Hype na ako.
Requirement pa yun.
Oh, requirement yun sa inyo, diba?
Grabe naman, hindi naman.
Parang initiation.
Hindi, pero, what if may 25,000 pesos aftermarket credits ka?
Siguro, i-convert ko yun sa cash. Sabihin ko kay Maggio. Pambili ko ng helmet.
Convert na lang to helmet. Thank you, Boss Kenneth. Check them out. Aftermarket Manila.
Carlo number 1.
Hey, there we go. Of course, Carl Lissandra in the building. Kakatapos na ng trade series niya.
Alam mo, yung talagang tumatabi kay Carlo.
Tigilan mo. What will you be spending for 25,000 pesos in Shoegame Manila?
In Shoegame Manila, I'll look for any Yeezys or any New Balance sa kicks. That's it.
Yeezys or?
New Balance.
New Balance. Okay, now you know. Comfort is life. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
100,000 pesos! Congratulations!
Damn, they even had the Alma year 2s there. Sayang. I really feel like kung ako nam doon, alam ko na. Yay! Ito yun eh. My God! Kung sino ba yung nanalo? Tinatanong ko rin sa vlog ko, do you think are you planning on popping for 25K? Actually, clueless na ako or wala pa akong alam ko. Well, we'll hope to see. But I'm looking forward to Lost and Found. Lost and Found. Hopefully, I feel like yung magandang game plan dyan, yung phone mo muna. Yung muna, up until mag-release yung Lost and Found. Well, congratulations, my guys. See you soon. Check them out.
fam. Thank you, bro.
So it's been a tiring day. Tapos na rin ang Manila Sneaker Expo 11. Huge shout out to the It's So Good fam and of course Beyond the Hype. Once again, this has been Beyond the Hype. Peace!